Have you been wondering, what is Niaouli essential oil? It's definitely a rare essential oil. Or where does Niaouli come from? In this video, I'm going to answer these questions and share some fun facts about Niaouli essential oil with you. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Teaching about the power of essential oils for the last 10 years, and it's always fun to bring in an oil that we don't really talk about a ton. And so this video today will be a rare and unique oil that doesn't get really talked about much. Now, if you stick around to the end, you will have the opportunity to get access to my Essential Oils Made Easy class. I have it in live version. You can attend a class live with me, or you can just watch a recorded version. You can also grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into the content of the video today though, I love hearing from our audience. So if you have a favorite way to use Niaouli oil, please put it in the comments below. Let's jump right in. With a sweet and woody aroma, Niaouli essential oil is sure to become a new favorite. It is known as a naturally stimulating essential oil that can help keep the skin and the mouth clean and healthy looking. So where does Niaouli come from? Niaouli is a large evergreen tree that is native to Australia. It has 5-inch long leaves and white and yellow flowers that blossom in tight spikes. Due to its flaky look, the tree has been given nicknames that include bottle brush, paper bark, and paper bark tea tree. Niaouli leaves and bark were commonly used by the indigenous Australians for various purposes, including teas and basket making and flavoring. Niaouli essential oil is produced through steam distillation of the leaves, and it creates a pure and potent product. doTERRA's Niaouli oil is sourced from Madagascar, where the trees also thrive. Niaouli is a relative of the tea tree, or otherwise known as Melaleuca, and has many similar benefits. So let's talk about some of the uses that we can get using Niaouli essential oil. Niaouli essential oil is naturally stimulating because of its eucalyptal content and its composition of monoterpenes. Okay, this chemistry makes it a pleasant complement to a soothing massage, or it's great in a diffuser blend. So this is a great oil to add to the rotation of your oils that you use on your skin, and that have different varieties of scents and benefits that you might be enjoying. But those with sensitive skin may prefer to use tea tree essential oil because Niaouli is one that should be diluted. So when you add this oil to your collection, be sure to use it again and again with lotion or fractionated coconut oil. So let's talk about a couple other ways we can use Niaouli. You can add a drop to your facial cleanser or even to your toothpaste. You can add a few drops to a spray bottle with water and use this to clean household surfaces. And like I said before, you can use this as part of a soothing massage. You can also diffuse this essential oil with eucalyptus, with bergamot or lavender for a calming and pleasant aroma. Niaouli actually works really well with arbor vitae, spearmint, cardamom, tea tree, and wild orange. So let's talk about some fun facts about Niaouli oil. It takes approximately 4.5 pounds of Niaouli to produce one 15 milliliter bottle. And the Niaouli tree is often planted in Australia parks as a windbreaker. And it also provides food for various birds and fruit bats and insect species. There are over 18 studies published about the benefits of Niaouli essential oil. Okay, so you made it to the end, which means now you have the opportunity to download my free Essential Oil Made Easy class and my Essential Oil Usage Guide. You can find those in the links below. And if you're interested in purchasing Niaouli or you want to get started with a starter kit, go ahead and follow the link in the description below and connect with me. I would love to help you get a starter kit and get 25% off all of your essential oils for the next year. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the bell to subscribe so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. Be sure to check out some of my other videos that I've got. I've got a diffuser blend playlist as well as an essential oil playlist where you can go in and find all the information about these different essential oils and how to use them, and so you can incorporate them into your life. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.